This isn't about scientific experiments. These are some of the coolest home gadgets that not only look unique but are also incredibly useful. And let's start with the floating clouds. These interactive clouds are colorful, remote-controlled luminaires with sound effects and built-in speakers. They come in different styles: hanging, standing, floating, balancing. Pick whichever fits your space. The lampshade cloud works as a lamp, but with a twist. It looks just like a fluffy cumulus cloud. The speaker cloud combines ambient LED lighting with an integrated speaker system, reacting to sound for a full sensory experience. Music mode pulses the lights to the beat, while lightning mode flashes for a stormy effect. Perfect for parties, chilling with friends, or enjoying some peaceful moments. Imagine Dragons' Thunder music video could have used one of these clouds for sure. Incense has been around for ages, and honestly, there's something so calming about it. This gadget takes that ancient tradition and gives it a pretty cool twist. No flashy LEDs or high-tech nonsense, just pure relaxation in the most beautiful way possible. This thing is handcrafted from high-quality ceramic, and it looks amazing. The smoke flows down in this incredible waterfall effect as the incense cone burns on top, almost like magic. It's seriously hypnotizing to watch, like you're creating a mini Zen garden right in your living room. The best part? It's super easy to keep clean. Just rinse with some hot water, and you're good to go. Forget the usual. This plasma frame is all about standing out and being completely unique. Whether you're using it to take an unforgettable selfie or just adding some flair to your space, it's guaranteed to turn heads. Stick your head through the large hole in the middle. It's totally safe and makes for an incredible visual effect. Those rainbow-colored electric beams, they're purely decorative, but they look awesome, and you can even move them with a touch, kind of like your Electro from Spider-Man. If you prefer a different look, there's also a square version with a striking mix of yellow and white beams. It's a perfect addition to any space, adding that cool and unusual vibe. Darth Vader might not be all bad. He could even be pretty helpful. It's actually a clapper that lets you control your gadgets almost like you've mastered the Force. Just plug your Christmas tree, lamp, or other device into it, and you'll never have to search for the right button again. Here's the fun part. When you turn something on, you'll hear Darth Vader say, "The Force is strong in this one." And when you turn it off, he says, "You underestimate the power of the dark side." A must-have for anyone who loves a bit of Star Wars magic, or is just feeling a bit lazy. Aquarius is a fountain lamp that does the impossible, making water bend, change colors, freeze, and split into multiple streams. It even shows off effects like volcanic lightning or the northern lights. Perfect for any room, its slim design fits anywhere, and it can switch to a no-water mode to work as an ambient nightlight. Built with 60 LEDs, Aquarius uses different frequencies to create amazing illusions, making the water seem to rise, freeze, or even move backward, all while glowing in stunning colors. It's the ultimate blend of tech and art. We hope you've heard of the Tesla Coil. If not, a quick wiki search will do the trick. The real one is massive, but this mini version brings all that engineering magic down to size. It comes with a few different discharge tips. A pointy stick, like a small nail, that screws on top. Just be careful, it gets hot after 20 to 30 seconds. A thin wire that dances around thanks to the plasma. And a spinner arm that balances on top. This gadget isn't just about cool discharges. It also works as a wireless speaker that can play any type of music, adding an extra layer of fun. Plus, it can light up gaseous tubes and bubbles, creating a soothing visual effect. Just plug in the Music Tesla Coil, light up an LED bulb, and get ready to impress anyone who sees it. This is probably the biggest plasma gadget we've shown you yet. Forget circles and squares. This is a full plasma tube standing 4 feet tall. It's got 3 different colors and effects, combining blue lightning, purple stars, and green pinwheels. Switching between effects is super easy. Just adjust the power level. Like all plasma gadgets, this one is touch responsive, adding that extra bit of interactivity. The tube has a 4-inch diameter, but you can even order larger sizes if you want to go big. Honestly, it's the kind of night lamp that Elon Musk himself might approve of. If you're looking to take your lighting game to the next level, let me show you what Yeelight has to offer. First, let me tell you about the curtain lights and Christmas tree lights. They're incredibly versatile and add a magical touch to any space. These lights work beautifully together, allowing you to create a seamless, festive atmosphere throughout your home. They are controlled through the Yeelight Bluetooth app, which offers easy access to multiple functions. You can choose from over 20 preset effects, customize your own colors and dynamics, and even adjust the speed of patterns, giving you complete control over your lighting experience. Both sets of lights share many of the same patterns, creating a cohesive and unified look that enhances your decor, especially during the holidays. The curtain lights are super easy to install, thanks to the strong 3M adhesive backing. Just stick them up and you're ready to go. This LED matrix of 475 lights lets you choose from over 170 different patterns or even create your own. You can sync them with your music, so the lights pulse with the beat, transforming any room or outdoor area into a mini light show. Plus, there's a one-tap flip function, allowing you to easily adjust the viewing angles for indoor or outdoor enjoyment without having to reinstall them. Outside, I installed the Yeelight permanent lights on my porch, and they're honestly a game changer. They stick easily with 3M adhesive and are extra secure with buckles, especially useful on turns to keep everything solid. Each light is 40 lumens, and with a 90-degree beam angle, they cast beautiful patterns across the house. Through the app, you can access various preset effects or create your own color schemes and light dynamics, ideal for adding a special ambiance to any occasion. Additionally, the music mode syncs the lights with your favorite tunes, allowing the lighting to pulse along with the beat. Plus, they're waterproof and weather-resistant, handling anything from freezing cold to scorching heat, so you can leave them up all year without a worry. You can also set a warm light mode that will softly illuminate the porch throughout the year without using bright effects when there are no holidays. Plus, if you use them for 3 hours a day all year long, the energy cost is only about $9 annually. I've left links to all the lights in the video description. If you're into loft-style decor and want to bring a slice of vintage New York into your home, check out Millclock. This gadget features authentic Nixie tubes that give your space a nostalgic, retro-futuristic vibe. Setting it up is a breeze. Just plug in the tubes, do some quick programming, and attach your favorite casing or base. It's like building your own piece of history. Millclock comes in options with 1, 4, or 6 tubes, and with all 6, you get the full display of hours, minutes, and seconds. It even comes with its own software and a handy app for both iOS and Android, so you can easily set the time, alarms, and more. Once everything's ready, you can pick your favorite backlight color to really set the mood. It's the perfect blend of classic design and modern tech. Did you know your smartphone can be charged directly by your desk? InnerKey is the invisible charger that turns any piece of furniture into a fast wireless charging station. Just mount it under the surface of your table, desk, or any other piece of furniture and watch your phone charge right on top. Just place it down and let it power up. With a charging range of up to 40 millimeters, InnerKey can transform almost any surface in your home or office into a wireless power spot. It's sleek, hidden, and incredibly convenient. Did you know that moss is responsible for about 30% of the oxygen on Earth? Now imagine harnessing that power in your own home. The Moss Air is a sleek air purifier that uses real moss to improve air quality by capturing carbon dioxide, dust, allergens, bacteria, and even viruses. All of this helps reduce respiratory issues and even lowers cancer risks. And yes, it's all because of the humble moss. The best part? Moss Air isn't just an air filter. It doubles as a humidifier. Just switch from terrarium to humidifier mode and remember to top off the water tank every 8 hours to keep things running smoothly. It's like having a little piece of nature right on your desk, working to keep your environment fresh. This awesome floating globe will definitely make you rethink having just an ordinary rotating globe at home. It uses a magnetic system to keep it hovering in midair, and setting it up is super simple. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Once you've got it floating, give it a gentle spin and watch it rotate effortlessly. The built-in LED light makes it look extra cool, especially in the dark. It's one of those gadgets that adds a little magic to any room and is sure to grab the attention of anyone who sees it. Perfect for anyone, no matter the age. It's just pure fun. This is hands down the coolest lamp ever. The bulb floats in midair using magnetic suspension, like having a piece of Hogwarts magic right on your desk. It's not just for looks either. The wooden base acts as a wireless charger and even works as a Bluetooth speaker, so you can light up, charge up, and jam out all at the same time. The design is a mix of vintage charm and futuristic tech. The LED light is soft, energy efficient, and perfect for chilling. Plus, it's compact, and you can choose from 4 different types of bulbs to suit your style. This lamp is smart, stylish, and totally unique. Growing your own crystal is cool, but a lightsaber crystal? Now that's next level. This Star Wars DIY kit has everything you need. Mix the special solution and crystal granules with hot water, and in about a week, you'll have a big, beautiful crystal. It comes with a decorative base so you can display it, and you can even light it up in blue or red, depending on which side of the Force you choose. It's like bringing a piece of Star Wars right into your home.